The tortoise lived in a forest where all the animals were fast. Every day she watched them pass her by and felt sad. "I will never be like them," she said to herself. One day she met a wise tree. "Why are you sad?" it asked. "Everyone is faster than me," the tortoise replied. "Being slow does not mean being weak," said the tree. "The important thing is to keep going. Small steps lead to success." The tortoise thought about this and decided to keep moving forward. Every day she took one small step. Slowly but surely she did not give up. Sometimes she felt tired, but she rested and then continued. She faced many challenges, but she overcame them one by one. Little by little she began to feel stronger and more confident. Her belief in herself gave her the strength to keep going. Time passed, and she started to believe in herself even more. One day, after a long journey, the tortoise finally reached the top of the hill she had always dreamed of. She smiled happily because she understood that with patience and persistence, anything is possible.